Alrighty, I have it set up to say my book. This is the bottom. I went ahead and cut it off with the pinking shears. And we're going to start it right about here, I guess. I'm not going to try. I'm going to just try to keep it even. I'm not going to draw a line. I'm just hoping that I can keep it even. That's the best I can do. I mean, it's just first time I've done it, so let's start. And it does have that piece of stabilizer on the back of it. Okay, so that's not going to work. So, all right, it has an issue. An issue. That took 1.5 minutes. Oh my gosh. So first off, I don't know what happened, but it jammed. I couldn't get it out. Thank heavens, years ago, I decided to purchase what is called a bird's nest. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. So I bought that, and what that is, I'm going to open it up here and show you. It's a hook. Let me show you. I haven't even used it. I did use the razor, but I'm going to turn the video around here so you can see it. Here's what it looks like. And this here is a big long razor right here. Let me get it out of the case for you. So it took me a minute, and oh my gosh, I thought I was never getting my machine back up. So this is what it looks like. Here's the razor. You got to be really extra careful with it. And I had to put that up underneath the bottom of the sewing machine between the foot, well actually the fabric, and the plate to get it off. No, I didn't put it backwards. Okay, so put that back in there. This is a hook, and it's got the string tied so that you can grab it, so that if you have to, you can grab the thread underneath there. But my threads were so tight, I couldn't even use the hook at all. And then it comes with an extra razor blade right here, a sterile blade, and the directions, which came in here. But like I said, I've had this forever, and I've never had to use it because I've never had that happen before, and this was the first time it happened. I've had so many firsts today, it's crazy. All right, so this is what I did. I went ahead, I cut a fresh one of these, just the fabric now. I took a piece of paper, and I'll show you here, hold on. Here's the paper right here. I just got a whole piece of notebook paper laying down here. And so what I've done is I just put my fabric on the end of it down there. As you can see, there's my fabric on the paper. See, that's the paper. And so I went ahead and I reprogrammed. And like I said, I wrote my book. That's what I have on here. So now I'm stitching it. And all I'm doing is holding onto the fabric and the paper and just stitching it like this. It's doing its own thing. I don't know what the problem was or why the jam was. I have no idea. If it comes out crooked, it's okay. It's my first try. It always goes straight up and down when you do it. It doesn't go right and left. And then when it's finished, it does it in place just like that. And then that's the whole program. If I start it again, it does it all over again. So let's take a look at it. In yellow, let me back it up a little bit here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put it on the table. There it is. My and book. Now, if it was on white fabric, it would be easier to see. But that's still pretty good. I didn't think it, I thought it would be harder to see it on white. I can see it better off camera, but I mean, it's okay. And you can, and like I said, I can make the bookmark smaller. So let me go ahead and finish this up. What you do, you just take it and tear it off, tear the paper off. I mean, I don't think, I would never wash any of these bookmarks, so it's not, I mean, it's not going to be a problem to have this paper underneath there. But if you want to use soluble stabilizer, that's fine. The other stabilizer, I think, is the problem. It was too heavy. But let me go ahead and I'm going to attach this to the other piece, just like we did before. Same process. Since the writing was in yellow, I decided to go ahead and put my tassel in yellow too. Whoops, as it flew out of there. Okay, that's... And I cut this shorter too, so I'm going to probably make it a little bit narrow. That's what happens when you're undecided and you don't know what the heck you want to do. Ooh, I gotta go one more over. There we go. There. Okay, now look at it. Now we'll cut her down to size. Then we'll cut all our scragglies off. And of course, you know, if you got an embroidery machine, or if you want to embroider with your zigzag machine, you can embroider your name on it. If you guys want me to show you that, I can show you that too. You just need a zigzag machine to do it. But here you go. It says my book. I don't know if you can see that. Let me put it on the table. There we go. My book. See? So I'll just add that to the pile. There you go. Okay, there is all of them laid out. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you in the next video. Now, probably going to go ahead and do the Mrs. Quilty video that shows how to make a different type of bookmark. But I wanted to come and show you these, which are the easiest ones I find to make. Double-sided, that is. You could make one that's single-sided with a really firm foam. I'm trying to think of what the foam is called. Annie's puts it out, but it's for purses and stuff. And you could put that on one side, which would be white, and then you'd have fabric on the other. That would be even faster than this. But I thought this was pretty fast. Anyway, so I will see you next time. Welcome, everybody, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.